How to receive text messages onto iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on the Apple account. Look for iCloud and tap on it. There, click on the Messages option. To take you to iMessages settings, turn on Use on this phone. Same process proceeds with another iPhone also. Then, on the first phone, go back to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down and select the Messages app. In this, select the Send and Receive option. You should verify both the phone's device name and phone number. Make sure that same process proceeds with second iPhone also. Next, take another iPhone or any device. Open the Messages app. Select a contact, type your message, and send it. Check to confirm that the message is transferred to iPhone 1 and iPhone 2, and that's it.